Okay, now we're going to start the topic of description language. Okay, anyone knows what is a description language? It is a formal language that is used in a knowledge representation and reasoning, that is a KRR in AI. It helps represent structure knowledge like a concepts, that is a classes, individuals, that is a instances, and relationship, that is a properties or roles, that a way that computers can reason about them. Okay, now description, already I said that description language is a formal language to represent the knowledge of structuring using a domain for artificial intelligence, and also it helps describes objects, concepts, and the relationships clearly and systematically. That is concepts is nothing but the classes, and instances, that is the individuals, and relationships nothing but is the properties or the roles what we want to do. And it is used especially in KRR. Then, what is a description language? It is a subset of a first order logic. Already we know what is meaning of the first order logic, FOL. That is design of the knowledge using the balance between expressiveness and computational efficiency. It is especially useful in defining ontologies and reasoning tasks in AI. Here they are representing facts about the world and describing the classes and relationship between the object. Then there are some components occurs in description language, that's the concepts, roles, and individuals. Concepts is nothing but is a class of objects, roles is nothing but is a relationship between the objects, and individuals is nothing but the specific instances. Example we take, that is a concept, that is a student, individual, that is a John, role means as friend of John, Alice. These are the things that first one is a top is nothing but is a universal concept that it represents everything. And next one is a bottom concept is nothing, it is represents empty concept. And not C is a negation, that is a not student, not a student, like that. And C and D, that means and D, intersection, students and athletics, that is students who have athletics, like that. And C and R, union, doctor or engineer, something is that. For all are C, for all related objects we are or they are C. That means for all has pet dog, all pets are dogs. Some or there exist in or to C, that is a sum, we use a sum, already use sum and all for the first order logic. And next semantics of description language. Okay, what is the semantics? What is the meaning of the semantics? Anyone knows what is the meaning of the semantics? Okay, let me see. Semantics is nothing but it is define the meaning of the expressions in description language, while syntax tells how to write expression, but semantics tells what they mean, how they relate to the real world objects or a logical interpretation. And here the concepts are the set of individuals, roles are the set of pairs of individuals. What is the meaning of interpretation? Interpretation is consists of a domain, that is a set of real or abstract objects like all people, places, etc. And interpretation is nothing but it is a concept to set of objects, roles to set of objects, individual to specific objects in the domain. These are the interpretation. Okay, then why we use a description language in AI? For to represent knowledge clearly, to avoid confusion, to allow reasoning, to check for mistakes, and also to build ontologies. And AI want to work smarter and used in real world AI applications. That means to represent knowledge clearly is nothing but it helps us to define things like peoples, objects, and relationship in a clear way. And also is to avoid the confusion is nothing but every statement want to give a clear meaning. And allow reasoning. What is allow reasoning is nothing but AI can find a new facts. Facts is nothing but the data, new data from old ones by using some logics. And how to check mistakes? It helps find errors in knowledge stored in a system. And also it already told that it builds ontologies. Ontology is nothing but to create organized knowledge structures like in the semantic web. To make AI smarter is nothing but helps AI answers questions and solve problems and also make decision. It's AI takes the decision only. I already told it's used in a real world application. There is a chatbots, robots, medical, smart search engines, etc. These are the things occurs in a description language. If you have any doubt, um, please put into the comment. I will explain it. Thank you.